Alright guys, so I'm out of the shower and I am squeezing the excess water out of my hair with not a towel, a t-shirt. Then I'm taking the tangles out of my hair. And then I go back in and squeeze out some more water with the t-shirt. Some people like doing their hair sopping wet, but it doesn't work for me. Here I'm just making my part. You guys can part your hair wherever you want. This next part is so unnecessary. I don't even know why I did it. I usually don't. I think I saw it on a video and I wanted to try it. So yeah, unnecessary. Don't have to do that. Then you want to split your hair in two and you're going to go in with the leave-in conditioner and you're going to rake that through your hair on the first side. And then you're going to go in with your brush and comb it out. And I think this is key because this helps clumps the curls together. You're going to go in on the other side and do the same thing. And then of course I'm going through this little baby piece, which is so unnecessary. After that, we're going to flip over and comb the rest of that through with your fingers. And then we're going to go in with some gel. Any strong cold gel will do. I'm using one from Eco. I go in and rake this in, and then I start to scrunch to promote the curl. And they say that you want to hear like a squishy sound when you're putting all your products in, so just listen out for that. Then I go back in with my t-shirt and I scrunch out the excess liquid water. This next product is unnecessary as well. You don't have to use it. It's a curl activator. It was actually my first time using it, but you don't need it. Next, we're going to go in with the Curly Coat diffuser, and I go on a low setting at high speed. And in the beginning, I'm just diffusing maybe until it's 25-30% dry. And then after it's 25 to 30% dry, I go in with a few spritzes of hairspray. And that's just to help dry my hair, one, and to help bring hold to the curl. And then I go back in with the diffuser and I diffuse till I'm about 70-75% dry. And when you're diffusing, you want to make sure you're diffusing at different angles, different sides, because you don't want your hair to get stuck in one spot. You want there to be movement at the end of all of this. So diffusing is very tedious, very long, but yeah. And you can already see my curls forming really well here. And then we go back in with the hairspray to help completely dry it. And then at this point I can start going in with my hands and scrunching as well as diffusing, because we're pretty dry at this point. Diffuse. Once I'm about 90% dry, I take off the diffuser and I just go in with the regular blow dryer to dry up anything else. Crazy mess here. Then I flip my hair, go in with a comb and start picking it out. And I take my fingers to lift at the root to promote volume. And bam! Big hair don't care.